So, as you can see, as we adapt and evolve with this wonderful new COVID situation, we're outside in the beautiful sunshine. It reminds us to reflect on as we come into Christmas, or summer, it's coming to Christmas time. And it's that time where you might want to consider and contemplate what to do for your staff. Now, as a general rule, anything paid to staff is treated as either a reimbursement or it's subject to PAYE. The exemption to that is FBT. Now, we have things called classified and unclassified benefits. So as Christmas comes up, they become a form of unclassified benefit. Now, there's a thing called the de minimis rule. It's Latin, but basically it means of insignificant value. And that is determined as $300 per employee per quarter, up to a maximum of $22,500 per year on a 4-quarter rolling basis. Sounds very technical. But basically, it means that if you go over in one quarter and under another quarter, you've got to roll forward to make sure that you don't exceed the total of $22,500 for all employees. Now, if you've got a staff of less than 20, that's not going to be too much of a problem. And you can also account on an annual basis rather than on a quarterly basis. So on an annual basis, you can do $1,200 per employee up to that maximum of $22,500. So as you consider what is the best way to do coming into Christmas for your staff, remember the de minimis rule and a way of getting out of the FBT exemption. The other thing to remember as well is in the current environment, there is a direction from the IRD about reimbursing staff for working from home. And it may be a nice gesture to compensate staff, which is tax-free to you and free of FBT to them, as well as looking at this de minimis rule of rewarding staff around the Christmas time. 'Tis the season to be jolly, and we definitely need something to be jolly about.